The former Zimbabwe National Army Commander, Lieutenant General, retired Sanyatwe, has officially handed over power to his successor, General Emmanuel Matatu, in a tightly controlled ceremony held midweek at Josiah Magama Tongogara Barracks, formerly KG6. Sanapina washuko buda mnyogo panapo kuti aiwa Sanyatwe panguva ine osarenda Armoury keys kuti bo subscribe or like on the bell kuti pina pano pamuna modonyo kwa mchizi. The event was presided over by Zimbabwe Defense Forces Commander General Philip Valero Sivanda in a display carefully choreographed to project unity amid mounting internal fissures within the ruling elite. Sanyatwe, a powerful figure in the military establishment and the newly appointed Minister of Sports, was abruptly retired by President Emmerson Mnangagwa on the eve of the controversial 31st March protest organized by ex-ZANU-PF Central Committee member and war veteran Blessed Geza. The official narrative framed the move as part of a cabinet reshuffle necessitated by the elevation of outgoing sports minister Kirsty Coventry to the presidency of the International Olympic Committee (IOC). However, insiders say the timing was far from coincidental. According to senior government sources, Mnangagwa's sudden redeployment of Sanyatwe was a strategic effort to disarm potential military dissent linked to Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. As tensions escalated ahead of the protest, Mnangagwa flooded the streets with red police and army units, not just to deter public demonstrations, but also to send a clear message to elements within the security forces whose loyalties were increasingly in question. Sanyatwe, who once commanded the presidential guard, and led deadly post-election crackdown in 2018 August that killed at least 6 civilians, was viewed as a potential power broker. His proximity to Chiwenga, the architect of the 2017 military coup that ushered Mnangagwa into power, made him a liability in a political environment increasingly shaped by fear, suspicion, and betrayal. Thomas Kwanubuda panapa unachiona kuti aiwa General Sanyatwe aiwa bosi ya matomu panguva ile vanhu vanyatsokuona kuti aiwa General Sanyatwe wofira yekusapota General Constantino Chiwenga panguva ino vachionekwa as a threat yekunzi aiwa vangazokonzeresa chaos vakaenda against those guys who are supporting aiwa kuti Mnangagwa number 1 afana kuimpeachiwa, number 2 vanofanira kusapota the 2030 plan. Tudze mafungiro impina comment section medu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.